So I've been making more Terra Luna Classic videos lately. And the reason why is because Terra Luna Classic has been making more moves. It had burns associated with it. We had movement of hundreds of percent, and we dropped to zero. So it's exciting news, right? Why not talk about it more? And because of these discussions that I've had, um, more questions have come up. And I think the most popular question that I've gotten in the last, let's say, week or so, 2 weeks, has been, do I have enough Terra Luna Classic? They've seen how much I have, and then they start comparing. Before I start this video, I want to let you guys know that you should never compare yourself to what another person has. You should compare yourself to your own situation. If you've invested enough money into something, do you have more belief than what you invested? If you do, then you didn't invest enough money. Now, if you also have more belief, but you don't have any more money to spend, like you have bills to pay and all that stuff, I do not recommend that you invest any more money. Go with what you have. But it also really depends on what you want out of the situation, because it's a question that's definitely loaded, where there's so many different outcomes and so many different variables to it. Like, do you have enough for what? Do you have enough to become wealthy? Do you have enough to change your life? Do you have enough to change your living situation? Do you have enough to become, just filthy rich? Do you have enough to change your generation, right? The next generation and the generation after that, right? Do you have enough for all of that? There's so many different add-ons to that question that I think you need to answer for yourself, but I will try and give you as much information as I can to give you maybe the answers that you want. So if we could, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link down below for BTCC, feel free to do so. BTCC is a great platform that I've been using for over a year. You can get a 10% deposit bonus if you specifically use my link. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, and it's trusted by millions for 14 years, 14 plus years at this point. And you can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage and as little as a 2x leverage with no VPN and no KYC that is required. It's a great platform. I just made money off of the Jasmine coin movement, which I took half my investment and half my profit, made a good $200 out of it off of a $100 investment. So, and then still have a lot left on the table and have about $200 worth of profit left on the table. So anyways, feel free to check it out. Link down below for BTCC. Make sure you guys know what you're doing when it comes to leverage trading. If you don't, they offer a demo trading platform as well that you don't have to trade with any real money. So BTCC at the top of the description. Now, Terra Luna Classic, the price currently stands at 0.00009757. It is slightly down on the day in the 24 hours, 0.3% down, basically call it flat. In the week, it's down by 7%, so it has moved from that drop zero level down to where we are, which is a 9.7 level or close to the drop zero level. But it's sitting at a $540 million market cap, still with $68 million worth of volume. That's one thing that you still have to look at and go, the popularity is still there. Whether it's negative or positive, the popularity is still there. 68 or $69 million. Volume to market cap ratio, 12%, showing that it is popular, and then still looking at the 5.5 trillion coins. Now, today's topic of conversation is about if you have enough Terra Luna Classic. And let's just say that if you're looking for enough, most people are asking that question to say, can I become wealthy from it? So we'll answer that question first. First, to understand and not to compare, I have 103 million Terra Luna Classic. You can see here down at the bottom, 103.36 million, sitting at about $12,600. The question that I had came from someone that only had 10 million Terra Luna Classic. And I'll say only because I have 103 million. It doesn't mean that 10 million is a little bit. For other people that have said I only have a million or I have less than a million, you can still do things with that. It's just, will you become insanely wealthy from that? Will you change generations? Most likely not, right? I won't say that you will not, but the chances of you doing that are slim to none. But you can still change your situation. In your current situation, if you have any bills or you have any things that you're back on or student loans, you could possibly change that as well. But that all depends on what you do. So, if we go into my spreadsheet here, my exit plan spreadsheet, it's built out for 10 million coins with 5.5 trillion coins in circulating supply. The 10 million coins currently stands at about $900. So meaning you had less than $1,000 to invest. Maybe it was even less, and now you're seeing an increase, and maybe you wanted to take some profit out of it. Who knows? But can you become wealthy from 10 million coins? Yes, right? You could. Seeing this get to a 1 cent price point will be $100,000, right? $100,000 can do a lot for so many people. Now, if it is long term, you only pay 20%, which means you'll have $80,000 to really do something with. Maybe here or there you might have something. Let's just say $70,000 you'll have in the end. You can do a lot with $70,000. You can pay off student loans. You can pay off credit card debt. You can pay off mortgages. You can do a lot with that. Now, to see it move forward, 3 cents is also not a bad option with seeing some burns in play or just seeing it at a $165 billion market cap. It doesn't mean that it can't get there. It's just, right now we still have a difficulty seeing anything get above $100 billion. But if it does get to a $3 price point, that's $300,000, which you can say you're going to take out about $100,000 of it, and $200,000 can definitely change a lot of people's situation. You can now set your life up at square one where you started when you were a kid, rather than going into life with all these different debts that are there. You now can have just a place to stay and pay for all the different utilities that you currently are using, rather than paying for the debts to make up those things, the school that you went to and all that other stuff. You can do a lot with it. But as you move forward, let's say we did see massive burns, you could potentially make a lot more. Where as it gets up to 10 cents and 50 cents and $1, you're looking at $10 million, $1 million. But this all depends on what you decide to do on the journey up. Because if you currently spent $900 and you see it's at $100,000, you're telling me you're not going to do anything. I would say the chances of you not doing something when you make $10,000, $30,000, $50,000 is slim, because it's a lot of money and you could do a lot with it. So would you get to that $1 million mark? I think you probably wouldn't. You would probably sell well before it, 80,000, 100,000, and you would take a lot of that money. That's $99,000 that you gained from where you stand to where it is. Now, even if you're looking at 1 million coins for the person that asked, or people that have asked that have a million or less, you paid $100 for this and you expect to gain millions of dollars from it to get to $1. You expect to gain millions of dollars, up to 5, up to 25, up to 50. The expectation is maybe not. But if you go from, the expectation for you is yes, right? You want to see it happen. It's going to happen. But for me, I'm like, no, I don't think it's going to happen, because $100 to then $10,000 sounds fantastic to anyone, me included. I will take profit if I saw that. Right? 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. You turned $100 into $100,000. The regular person is going to take that. So the chances of you getting to $1 million or becoming a millionaire or being wealthy and all that stuff, you have the chance, you have the opportunity. It's just whether you can hold out or want to hold out. I'm not saying that you have to, because you don't have to make or try and make $1 million from it. Take your profit when you have your profit. I'm not going to be mad at you. Nobody's going to be mad at you for doing that. Right? That's the issue that we deal with, more than like, can it get to these prices? Yeah, it could get to those prices, but will you let it get to those prices? That's the real question. And the answer to that, in probably 90, maybe 99% of cases, is no. You won't let it get to that spot, which is not a bad thing. Just because I'm saying it here, it's not a bad thing. If you turn $100,000 into 10,000 or $50,000, or sorry, $100, that's 100,000. If you turn $100 into 10,000 or 50,000, that is amazing. If you turn $100 into $1,000, that is amazing. So for the people that have less, it's easier to accept the smaller gains. For people that have more, let's say you have 100,000, you already invested $9,000 into it. Seeing it grow to 50,000 still is amazing. Seeing it grow to 100,000, again, very, very amazing. But 300,000, 500,000, 800,000, 1 million, it's easier to accept larger gains because you already invested that much, right? And seeing that and taking maybe your initial investment at a lower spot gives you the ability to see that grow a lot further. What you are looking at when you invest $100 is you're looking for that home run, right? All or nothing type of play. And it's very difficult to see it grow 10x and not go, well, let me just take 5 of that 10x. And I would applaud you for making that much money. But did you give it the opportunity to make $1 million from it? No, you didn't. You didn't let it get to that spot. You didn't even let it sniff that spot. And it's fine because you made money. But do you have enough? Yeah, you have enough. Will you let it get there? Maybe not. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC down below, feel free to do so. But I got to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.